DJ Shimza has come out to say he did not make use of Ozempic in his weight loss journey, but instead he used an over-the-counter supplement emsizile ukuthi abhene ifat ngokukhulu shesh. Ubekhuluma ne-podcast and chill no Mac G, Solpenduka and Ghost Lady this past Thursday. Washo ukuthi cha akasebenzisanga Ozempic like a lot of people are alleging or suggesting, but uthi in between his very busy schedule, touring, DJing and everything that he does, ube dedicates and just cut esithile to my figure hotela agijime uthi he would run for approximately an hour each and every day so that he could be able to actually shed the weight. He also made a lot of dietary changes, ukudla bekudla ashuthi a lot of junk burgers and all, waqala futhi waphuza a lot of water and cut out completely on sugary drinks. Uthi it's been 2.5 years since he last had a fizzy drink. He's dedicated, he knows what he wants, and he knows how to get it. So he's gotten it. So if you wanted to know, go to yipi le supplement ayisebenzile uthi uthole iyatholakala nje kuma dispensaries over the counter. Uthole discam, it's called Rib Feet or Ribbed Feet. I think you can find it if you just check online. That's what's up. Check the video.
I want to ask you something that I'm sure you're tired of answering.
Yeah.
The weight loss.
Yeah.
People think you're on Ozempic. What's your take on that?
Bro, like, you know, the funny thing is when I was doing those 400 flights last year, somehow, bro, the only thing that got me to lock in was the amount of running I was doing.
Okay.
So, like, I would get to a hotel in the morning, like, as tired as I am, go take maybe like a 1 hour jog, and then maybe rest, and then go to the show, right? And then, like, I cut a lot on the shit that I was eating on the road. You know, like I stopped eating like burgers and stuff. Cut the sugar. I don't drink any sugar now. You know, like I always drink water. That's all I drink. And I've been like off sodas for like 2.5 years now. You know, so because I don't drink alcohol, maybe that's why I shed a lot of weight at the time, because I was eating right, running, and cut the sugar completely. You know. But also I was taking Rib Fit. There's a supplement called Rib Fit that you take. So like it's like a fat burner, but it also gives you like energy when you're running. You know,
what do you get it? Well, what's that?
It's either Discam.
Oh, just a Rib Fit. Don't laugh. Is it healthy?
Someone's on a diet.
No, this like
No, man, I'm not on a diet.
It's a Discam or whatever.
Oh, dope.
I'll send you like a picture.
Yeah, Rib
of it.
Fit.
Yeah, it's called Rib Fit.
Okay.
Yeah,
Check
so
it
like I pushed a lot,
Nice.
and I feel like my body, when it gets to a certain level of starting to lose weight, it drops the weight like drastically. You know, as soon as I start eating right, because I've lost weight before.
Yes.
Like yeah. I lost
Tyler, bro,
weight.
you've been getting
And then,
fit.
bro, like I just gained all of that back. You know, so like now I'm trying as much as I can to like keep the weight off.
It's just running, bro.